Alright, it's June 22nd, 2018. I just got my new Hydro Turf on. Some people, it's made by Black Tip Jet Sports, and it covers the whole back. Looks pretty good. It's just peel and stick, so it's super easy to put on. You just got to clean off all your old stuff and then just peel and stick. So I got all the new Hydro Turf on. Got the carburetors are cleaned out, new fuel line on all the carb lines. So yeah, it's ready to go. I'm pretty excited. This is a 97 STX 900. I guess the other brand would have been called Hydro Turf, but I don't know. All I know is they're floor mats. And they're pretty clean, pretty easy to install. I installed a set of these on my Polaris a while back. And it looks real nice. A lot of people don't realize that when you take the red piece off, there's actually a piece of molding here. So even though you're going to black, you still got the red molding going around, which still gives it the attached look. So see, this ski is pretty clean. It's got little chips here and there, but no fractures or anything like that. No big stress marks from being smashed into it or anything like that. And so right now we're just rebuilding the jet pump. We're putting Scat Track 15-20 in it. We've got the whole jet pump out right now. And yeah, I'll show you guys. Check out this impeller. So I just bought this machine and took it out to put it in the water, and that's what I found. So anyway, got it running and put it in the water and went to take off, and it did not want to go anywhere. So pulled the jet pump out and inspected it, and that's what I found. So we're waiting for this new impeller, and then we'll slap it back together. So alright, thanks for watching my video.